1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Bullitt Replica. Have you seen this thing, dark Highland Green? Of course you've seen it. That's a stupid question, isn't it?
I don't remember it, but I've
dark
seen it.
Highland Green metallic over black. Yeah. Recent ground-up restoration. Worked 302 V8. Rebuilt top-loader 4-speed. Very well-done tribute. And there are a lot of tributes out there, and that's okay.
Yeah.
As long as they're sold honestly and accurately. What is it? Not trying to pull the wool over somebody's eyes and say, oh, this was the original, whatever, or any of that. It's just the fact that it's nice to attribute. It's an honor to be, a tribute is supposed to be an honor, right? And you're honoring the fact that you love that car and you love that movie. I watched the chase scene from Bullitt last night. Just happened to be on YouTube looking at something, and there it was. And I don't think you can legally pass by the chase scene on Bullitt on YouTube and not watch it without the car police coming to your house and pummeling you. I think that's.
Now I got the fact wrong in this description. Well, I made a little reference to the Charger, but who chases who in the movie?
McQueen ends up chasing the Charger.
So the Mustang is chasing the Charger.
Right.
I thought it was the other way around.
Well, in the beginning, they're following him, and then they switch, and he comes up behind them. They look in the rearview mirror, and there's that menacing grill of the shark nose looking of the Mustang.